So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video gonna be a vlog, complete vlog. This upcoming 6 to 7 videos gonna be complete vlog. This is the first time I'm trying to vlog, so hope you guys will like this. I'm trying something new, and it's 5 in the morning. I just left my house and fueled up a few in Shell, and heading towards Goa. I'm going directly to the Goa airport. I'm gonna pick my friends from there who left from Bangalore, and they are on the way to airport now in Bangalore. So this is gonna be an awesome one. So stay tuned, guys. Let's have fun. Let's start. So guys, I completed around 25 kilometers and I took my first tea break. Needed a tea because I left early in the morning. I really wanted to go by bike, but because of some transport issue in Goa, and we don't wanted to take any public transport and all, so that's why I took my car out, and this is my dad's car. So I really wish I could have gone by my bike, because the roads are just awesome, all Ghats sections and all. So you guys would have enjoyed the roads and everything. So nevertheless, I try to make this video as much as interactive as possible, and you guys just have fun. And I try to capture some roads in the front. We get the Chola Ghats. So Chola Ghats are just awesome. So just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, so that you'll not miss any of these vlogs and all. So that's it, guys. I'll meet you in some time. You guys can see the beautiful sunrise there. You can't see the sun, but you can see the skies and all. It's so beautiful. And I did around 70-80 kilometers, I guess. I have still another 110 odd kilometers to go, so everything is cool. So hey guys, I just took a detour because there was a construction going on the main road, and I came into this beautiful jungle. It is so silent here. The roads are terrible, but you guys can see the view here. Such a bliss, man. Such a bliss. After this, we are going to get Chola Ghat, which is one of the dangerous roads. So I need to be very careful. And you guys can see the road here. It is terrible. So hey guys, I am in Chola Ghat, and you guys can see the beautiful view. Roads are awesome. Only thing is they are dangerous, and there is a small waterfall here. So you guys can see the roads. So hey guys, it's 9:15. I got a little late because I broke my GPS mount, so I could not navigate properly. So my speed was reduced, and I am near to the airport. Goa roads are just fine, man. I traveled around 50 kilometers in this road, but I didn't even spot a single pothole in this road. It is such a beauty, and if you have potholes also, either they are patched or you have proper roads here. So I'm just enjoying the route, and I think I am some 13 kilometers away from the airport. So you guys also enjoy the road. So guys, finally reached the destination. It's 9:30. Yeah, I got a bit late because of this GPS mount. So I'll be ending this vlog here. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe to my channel. Please like and share the video, and stay tuned for Goa vlogs, and this following vlogs gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna explore a lot of Goa, and we are planning to do some scuba and all. So please stay tuned.